Eric P. Singh, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga Campus. Let's introduce parts and functions of camera lens. Focusing ring. This is a section of the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. Hood mount. The main purpose of a lens hood is to shade the front of your lens, to keep light from falling across the lens and causing unwanted flares and a wash-out, low-contrast look. The filter mounting thread. The filter thread refers to the size and type of thread on the front of the lens where filters can be attached. Image stabilizer. Switch image stabilization only allows you the ability to capture sharp image of static subjects at slower speeds. Lens mount index. The lens mount index is a mark on the lens mount that helps you to attach the lens securely to the camera body. Focus mode. Focus mode switch. The little switch on the camera lens is typically the autofocus, manual, or focus switch. Zoom ring. In the other words, adjust the zoom ring to change the perspective of the photo, the size of the subject being photographed, and the perspective relationship between each subject. Zoom position index. The numbers on the zoom position index are commonly used focal lengths and help you to gauge your current angle of view. Contacts. The contacts are small metal pins on the back of the lens, aligning with the camera body once the lens is mounted.